Hello everyone and welcome to The Biz, the show that keeps you up to date on what to see and what to skip. I'm your host Busy, and in today's episode we're going to be going over some of the movies that came out so far this month. First movie I'm going to talk about today is Noah, starring Russell Crowe and Emma Watson. This is a movie that's based on the biblical story of Noah's Ark. Or so I thought. It's really just a movie that's based on the graphic novel that's loosely based on the biblical story of Noah's Ark. It was an interesting concept. The director had some really cool ideas in how to tell the story, but my biggest disappointment was how he portrayed Noah. I've always seen Noah as someone that I could look up to, a hero, someone to root for, and this movie kind of turned him into someone that was really hard to root for, and he was kind of a bad guy. If you are a fan of Lord of the Rings and Percy Jackson, you would enjoy this movie. But if you're also a fan of the biblical story, I suggest not seeing it at all. My recommendation though, if you are going to see it, just wait for DVD. The next movie I'm going to talk about is Captain America the Winter Soldier, starring Chris Evans and my girl crush Scarlett Johansson. This movie was fantastic. I'd say it was even better than the first Captain America. Not as good as the Avengers, but it's getting there. This movie is going to change everything in the movie Marvel universe. It is a big game changer and it's kind of scary, but it's really exciting too. This movie was done so well. It had such a great story, it had awesome action and really great chemistry between all the actors. My favorite part was definitely having the Winter Soldier as the villain of this whole movie. I'd say he was even the best villain of the whole Marvel movie universe so far. I'm really excited to see what Marvel has in store for the rest of the movies, and I think you guys definitely need to see this one. It's such a fun movie. Another movie that came out this month was Draft Day, starring Kevin Costner and Jennifer Garner. My man Kevin does it again, just as good as Field of Dreams. It was such a really well-written movie. It had great acting, great everything. It actually made me really want to know more about football, which makes my husband very happy. This movie was very exciting. It was very dramatic. It was really like my heart was beating so fast while I was watching it. It was so good. So definitely go and see it. You'll enjoy it. The last movie we're going to talk about today is Rio 2, starring Anne Hathaway and Jesse Eisenberg. This is a sequel from the first one, and it takes our two lovebirds into the Amazon where her family lives. It's a fun movie with even better music than the first. It's a little bit slower, so it's not as good, but it's still a fun movie. My recommendation, just wait for DVD. You will enjoy it. So that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Tune in next time. Now go watch a movie. No. Go watch Captain America the Winter Soldier.